I'm going to show you a neat little trick to see exactly how your dyes are wearing. And what you do is you take a piece of white printing paper and then put a piece of carbon paper on top of it, and then put another piece of printing paper on it. Lay it down on top of your dyes and give it one smack. Okay. And you can peel off the paper and you can see where your dye is hitting. So you can see, this is showing me that my dyes, I work from this side. So my dye is wearing down here already, in this front part of the die. So this is all pretty much contacting, a little bit here, but this is now in a little valley. Just a fast way to check it out. No